Where's the cat? You wanna go get the cat? Let's go. I'm gonna go good night. You should just go good night. You've been up too long. You've been going to sleep. You were snoring. Your ass stinks. Yeah, it stinks. How do you feel about that? You like because your ass stinks? You like your ass stinks? No. It smells like shit. I guess you won't see the cat. Because the cat's gonna come get you. You scared of the cat? I'm gonna go get the cat. Alright, I'm gonna go see the cat. I'm gonna keep you back here, okay? Are you cool with that? No? Okay. Well, I'm gonna go see the cat. And McLovin. You wanna go see McLovin? Yeah? What about Sammy? Wanna go see Sammy? You get to see Sammy on Christmas. Yep. And then you guys are gonna get the cat. Okay? Should we get you an ice cube or a treat? What do you think? Let's go get the cat.